We've all been there, right? You pick up your phone to check just one little thing, and then you look up, and somehow an hour has completely vanished. Today, we're going to talk about how to take back that lost time. We'll see how you can swap that mindless scrolling for something that actually fires up your brain and maybe even teaches you something new. Let's make that screen time really count.
That feeling, it's so familiar. You've just fallen down this crazy rabbit hole of celebrity gossip, funny animal videos, and whatever else the algorithm decided to throw at you. You didn't mean for it to happen, but, well, it happened again. This isn't just some random bad habit, though. It actually has a name, and it's become super common. Yep, the term is doom scrolling, and it's pretty much exactly what it sounds like. You're just consuming an endless stream of online stuff, and a lot of the time, it's pretty negative. It's this passive, almost hypnotic habit, and you might be shocked to find out just how many of us are caught in that exact same loop. And get this, the scale of this thing is just wild. A survey from last year found that almost 2/3 of Americans admit to doom scrolling. So if you feel like you're stuck in this cycle, trust me, you are so not alone. But this habit, it comes with a very real cost. And we're not just talking about losing an hour or two of your day. No, it goes way deeper than that. Researchers have been warning us that this habit can have a major impact on our well-being, affecting everything from our mental health to our ability to just, focus. Yeah, I mean, look at these effects. We're talking about real, tangible stuff. It leads to brain fatigue, which makes it so much harder to concentrate on the things that matter. It can totally mess with your sleep, and if you're scrolling through stressful or negative content, it can leave you feeling anxious and just completely wiped out. It's a cycle that's definitely worth breaking. Okay, but here's the good news, right? It's not all, well, doom and gloom. You can totally break this cycle. And this isn't about throwing your phone in a drawer and never looking at it again. Not at all. It's about making a conscious choice to engage with it in a smarter, more productive way. So let's look at how to build some better habits for those spare minutes. And this chart, it just lays it out perfectly. We can literally trade that mind-numbing, anxiety-inducing scroll for something that's genuinely engaging, relaxing, and even helps you build new skills. So how do we do it? Well, let's put together a new app toolkit. All right, let's get to the good stuff. I've got 6 fantastic app alternatives for you. These are perfect for when you have a few spare minutes and you want to do something on your phone that isn't just falling into another endless feed. First up, an app that lets you explore the entire globe through sound. This is called Radio Garden. The idea here is so simple, but man, it is powerful. Instead of scrolling through a feed that an algorithm cooked up for you, you get to feel truly connected to the world by tuning into live radio stations from pretty much anywhere on the planet. The interface is this beautiful, interactive globe. You just spin it around, tap on one of those little green dots that's marking a city, and bam, you are instantly listening to a local broadcast. With over 25,000 stations, you can explore music and culture from anywhere, from Tokyo to Buenos Aires. It's amazing. Okay, so from exploring the outside world, let's turn inward. For those of you who want to actively sharpen your mind, you've got to check out Elevate. Instead of dulling your brain, this app is designed specifically to help you improve your cognitive skills. Think of it like a personal trainer for your brain. Elevate has over 40 games that train everything from your focus and memory to practical math skills like, figuring out a tip a little bit faster. You get a few free games every day, and it tracks your progress over time, which is super motivating to see. And hey, if you like the idea of building a specific skill, but you want something super simple, how about just learning a new word every day? That's the whole idea behind the vocabulary app. It's a clean, straightforward way to expand your lexicon in just a couple minutes a day. What's cool is you can totally tailor it to what you're into, choosing categories like business or emotions. Every new word comes with a full definition and a pronunciation guide, and the mini games actually help you remember the words so they don't just go in one ear and out the other. It's a really satisfying little daily habit. Okay, confession time. How good are you with world capitals? For all you geography nerds out there, and for anyone who wants to be one, this next app is for you. If you're ready to put your knowledge of the world to the test, you are going to love this. Cetera makes learning geography a super fun and kind of addictive game. With over 300 different challenges, you can test yourself on everything from world flags and oceans to mountain ranges. And yeah, there are leaderboards, so you can see how you stack up against the top scores. And the best part? It is 100% free.
Now, maybe head-to-head competition isn't your jam, but you still want that daily mental workout. Well, then we have to talk about the absolute powerhouse of daily puzzles, NYT games. This has become a daily ritual for millions of people, and for good reason. It's a fresh set of challenges every single day.
I mean, come on, we all know Wordle, right? But the app is loaded with other amazing puzzles. You've got the classic crosswords, the tricky category puzzle connections, and the totally addicting spelling bee. It's the perfect replacement for that morning social media scroll. All right, last one. Let's talk about one more skill-building habit. Have you ever said, I'd love to learn a new language, but I just don't have the time? Well, you need to meet Drops. The whole app is built around one simple, powerful idea. You can make real progress in just 5 minutes a day.
And the method is just so simple and effective. Seriously, you just pick a language, they have over 45 of them, then you play these cool visual mini games to build up your vocabulary, and boom, your 5-minute lesson is done. It's designed to be this perfect, bite-sized daily habit that really adds up over time.
Okay, so let's pull back for a second and look at the whole toolkit we just built. Here's a quick glance at all of them, side by side. You've got options ranging from the completely free Cetera for all you geography buffs to the 5-minute language lessons in Drops. Every single one of these has a free version or at least a trial, so you can test them out and see which one feels like your new go-to distraction. You see, taking back your attention, breaking that doom-scrolling habit, it doesn't have to be this huge, life-altering thing. It really can start with just one simple, intentional choice, one tap on a different kind of app. And that really brings us to the big question here. The next time you find yourself with a few minutes to kill and your hand just instinctively reaches for your phone, ask yourself this. Instead of just consuming, what will you choose to build? A new skill? A stronger mind? A deeper connection to the world?